Imagine this. The sun is shining down on you, the Mediterranean breeze brushes against your skin, and the rhythm of music fills the air as you sip on a chilled cocktail. Welcome to Hotel Samos Magaluf, where every day feels like a party in paradise and unforgettable moments are the order of the day. Located in the heart of the vibrant Magaluf, this hotel is the ultimate destination for those who crave a mix of luxury, fun, and sun-soaked relaxation. From the moment you arrive, Hotel Samos sets the stage for an epic escape. Just steps away from Magaluf's famous beaches and nightlife, this modern, adults-only hotel offers everything you need to experience the best of this buzzing island hotspot. With sleek, contemporary rooms featuring private balconies, you'll wake up to stunning views of the sea, pool, or surrounding mountains, a perfect way to start the day. The hotel's main attraction. The incredible pool scene. Picture sprawling turquoise pools surrounded by chic sun loungers and Bali beds, where you can lounge in style or take a refreshing dip to beat the heat. The pool bar serves up ice-cold drinks and light bites, keeping the good vibes flowing from morning till sunset. As the sun goes down, the energy ramps up, and the hotel transforms into a lively hub with live DJs, themed parties, and electric entertainment. For those looking to balance the party with a touch of wellness, Hotel Samos offers a fully equipped gym and fitness classes, helping you stay active while enjoying your vacation. And when hunger strikes, the hotel's buffet restaurant delivers a feast of Mediterranean and international flavors, from fresh seafood and salads to decadent desserts. Beyond the hotel, Magaluf's legendary nightlife awaits. Whether it's dancing until dawn at BCM Planet Dance or exploring the bustling beach bars and clubs along the strip, the energy of Magaluf is simply irresistible. During the day, you can unwind on the golden sands of Magaluf Beach, take a boat tour along the stunning Mallorcan coastline, or try your hand at water sports for an adrenaline rush. Hotel Samos Magaluf perfectly blends the excitement of a party atmosphere with the comfort and amenities of a top-tier resort. Whether you're traveling with friends, celebrating a special occasion, or just looking to let loose, this is the place where memories are made and stories begin. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate Magaluf adventure? Pack your sunglasses, your party spirit, and a sense of adventure. Hotel Samos is waiting for you.